Hi guys, I'm Loie. TouchPal just launched a new feature on its TouchPal Keyboard Pro app, AR Emojis. AR Emojis uses augmented reality to add creativity to your messages. Your facial expressions and voice are both recorded and played back by the AR Emoji character. It's a really cool feature because it works on all Android smartphones and most Android apps, such as WhatsApp and Messenger. I'm going to try it out today and write my friend Charlotte, who has a day off, and see what she's up to. To get to the AR emojis, you just have to type on the emoji icon there at the bottom of the screen, and there you can see it's going to be the last option on that menu. The emojis are bear, gorilla, gingerbread man, and capsule. I quite like gingerbread man, so I'm going to use that today to record my message. Just press on the record button. Hey Charlotte, what's up? After you've recorded it, you can also add some emojis or text, or you can also scribble on there if you want. I'm gonna add a hand here. And then you can choose whether it's a video or a GIF.
What's up?
And send it right over.
Hey Charlotte, what's up?
Oh hey Loie, I'm just chilling in the park and enjoying the beautiful weather outside.
You're so lucky.
I'm stuck at work with so much to do.
Don't worry, summer's not going anywhere.
To try out the AR emojis yourself, you have to install the app from the Google Play Store, and it's free. There are also some other great features such as an AI digital assistant and some smart recommendations. Next, I'll be having a contest with TouchPal where you can win an e-voucher for the same value as a Galaxy S9, so stay tuned.